Okay, let's solve this problem. Um, the fourth question. This is part of the series where we do the revision of IGCSE 580 Math, and this is one of the questions from paper 4, one of the past papers. So let's solve this one and see how this is. So the function here is y is equal to 1 minus 2 by x square. So we have to complete this table. So they have already given some values for when x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 3, when x is minus 0.5 and 3 and 4. Okay, so for the other ones we can just use the calculator to figure out. So for the first one is like when x is minus 5, so that'll become 1 minus, in the bracket, 2 divided by minus 5 square is 25. So I'm just writing that down, so I get the answer 0.92. so here it is 0.92, the y value when x is minus 5. Then the next one is when x is minus 2. So when x is minus 2, x square will become 4, so that is 1 minus 2 by 4, that is 1 minus half, that is again 0.5. Then when x is minus 1, so when x is minus 1, it will become 1 minus 2 divided by minus 1 square, that's 1, so 2 by 1, so 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. And when x is equal to 1, it will be as same as x is equal to minus 1, so that also will be minus 1. And when x is equal to 2, it will be same as when x is equal to minus 2, so that also will be 0.5. Okay, so let's plot this. Let's plot this. Okay, the first thing they are asking us to plot between minus 5 to minus 0.5. So that is like these values, like from here to here. So for minus 0.5, the value is 0.92, so that is here. And minus 4, it is 0.88. So that is again somewhere there. And then for minus 3, it is 0.78, so somewhere here. Then 0.5, for minus 2 it's 0.5, so that is like the middle. And for minus 1, it's minus 1. And for minus 0.5, it is minus 7, so it is somewhere here. Okay, I made a mistake when I draw, it's still here. They just want the values till minus 0.5, so it's here. So if I draw that, it will look like this. Fine, so I'll mark these points once again for some clarity. Okay, now let's do it from 0.5 to 5. Okay, so 0.5 is minus 7, just take it's like, and then for 1 it is minus 1, and for 0.2 it is 0.5, like it's like a mirror image of what we just draw before. And for 3 it's 0.78, that's like between third and fourth line. and fourth is 0.88. That's again between 0.88 is between fourth and fifth line. Oh, I forgot to write for 5, so 5 also will be like 0.92, so that's almost near 1. So let's draw that. It will be like this. Okay, done. So we plot the function, then let's see what is the next question. So on the grid, draw the graph y is equal to minus x minus 1. So okay, let's draw that. So y is equal to minus x minus 1. So y is equal to minus x minus 1 is a straight line because both y and x are in the first degree, like it raised to the power 1. So let's just figure out 2 points. So when they asked minus 3 to 5, so let's make that table from minus 3 to 5. Okay, I'm drawing here. Okay, so I'm drawing here. Like x, y, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have to draw all the points, but I'm just taking it up. So for minus 3, when x is minus 3, y is 3 minus 1, 2. When x is minus 2, y is 2 minus 1, 1. When x is minus 1, y is 1 minus 1, 0. When x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is 1, y is minus 2. When x is 2, y is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and 3 is minus 4, and so on. So I'm just marking these points. So minus 3 2 is here, and minus 2 1 is here, minus 1 0 is here, 0 minus 1 is here, 1 minus 2 is here, 2 minus 3 is here, and then so on. For 3 it will be like minus 4, for 4 it will be like minus 5, and for 5 it will be like minus 6. So I have a straight line, so I'll just draw a straight line. Okay, it's not, yeah, it's almost going through that point. Fine, so we are done with plotting the graph y is equal to minus x minus 1. So what is second part? Second part of this question is solve the equation 1 minus 2x square is equal to minus x minus 1. So we have two functions. First one is y is equal to 1 minus 2 by x square, and the other one is y is equal to minus x minus 1. Which point they are like having the same value? The point where they intersect. So let's see where they intersect in the graph. So I can see it's intersecting somewhere here. Okay, so we have to figure out what is the x value at that point. So I'm just taking it up, and it's like fourth line, so that's like 0.8. So x is equal to 0.8 is the solution to this thing. Okay, we completed the question C also. So let's see what is next in this question. So this third part to part C. So let me zoom this thing in. Okay, they're saying the equation 1 minus 2 by x square is equal to minus x minus 7 can be written in the form x cube plus px square plus q is equal to 0. Okay, let's do that and simplify it further and see if we can reach in that form. Okay, so fine. So 6. Okay, let's simplify this. So I'm taking multiplying everything with x square, so it will become x square minus 2 equals minus x cube minus x square. So x square, if I take these two terms to left side, it will become x cube plus 2x square minus 2 equal to 0. So with that, p is, if you compare this with x cube plus px square plus q equal to 0, we can say what is p and q. So p is 2, so p is 2 and q is minus 2. That's it. Okay, let's move to next part of the question. The graph of y is equal to 1 minus 2 by x square cuts the positive axis at a. So they're saying the positive x-axis is cut at a. B is the point 0 minus 2. B is the point 0 minus 2. Okay, write down the coordinates of a. Write down the coordinates of a. So let's see how we have drawn that function. So they're saying it's the positive x-axis at some point, so that is here, right? This is what they're talking about, this particular point. So what is that coordinate? That coordinate is 1.60. so it's 1.60. so let's write that down. Coordinates of a is 1.6, the value of x, and 0 is the value of y. It's anyways crossing the x-axis, so it should be, the y value should be 0. On the grid, the straight line that passes through a and b. Draw the straight line that passes through a and b. Okay, so what is b? B is 0 minus 2. So let's mark 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is here. So then we need a straight line which passes through a and b. So this is a and this is b. So let's draw a straight line. Okay, done. So we have drawn the straight line which passes through a and b. Fine. Okay. What is next? Complete the statement. The straight line passes through a and b is a dash at the point, so it can be a tangent. It can be a tangent. It looks like a tangent, so I'm writing it's a tangent. It's a tangent at the point. I think it's at the same point, so which we just figured it as a. So it's like 1.60. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments or any doubt, please write it on the comment section. Thank you.